Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this thing has been so sideways for about 9 or 10 trading days. I definitely do not disagree that it looks more like an ABC than a 1, 2, 3, and it definitely may end up breaking structure to the upside, and if it does, it probably is going to go all the way back up and take out the previous highs. The thing is no matter what we think, we have to believe what the market shows us. And technically, the trend is still down. And technically, because of that, it still could end up breaking to the downside. And I'm still leaning towards that as the more likely possibility. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, because of this, I am definitely still looking for shorts. What's going to tell me that this really is the bottom of a wave C on the daily is a break of structure. Right now, because this is the most recent lowest low, this right here would be the break of structure. If it breaks and holds above this structure with momentum, then I will definitely be looking for longs after the break of structure and after the pullback. Otherwise, I'm still looking for short opportunities. Even though this has been a very sideways market, there definitely has been a few pretty decent little shorts over the last week or so, and I'm definitely still watching my Fibonacci retracement. If it makes a nice engulfing move to the downside at a fib level, I would definitely continue to take it as a short, as long as we don't get that significant break of structure to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.